next with WTI.
This inflatable kayak adds so much fun to your outdoor activities. My family absolutely loves it. It's big enough for 2 adults, and kids love being in it too. It's fairly sturdy on the water, so you can feel confident you won't tip over too easily. And it comes with everything you need to get on the water right away. That's a great feature. Whether you're using it for kayaking, fishing, or just going for a little jaunt down the lake, this boat is a great choice. And as you can see, clearly my brother-in-law thinks it's pretty comfortable too. Just think of what a great gift it would be for your outdoorsy friend or family member. The manual pump is of fine quality and takes about 8 to 10 minutes to fully inflate. And the paddles are adjustable to make 2 single oars or a double oar if you're by yourself. It's an overall great choice for your first or next watercraft.